Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To add shortcuts to folders in Outlook, click the Shortcuts icon within the navigation bar to show the Shortcuts button group in the folder pane at the left side of the application. Then right-click the actual word Shortcuts in the folder pane to display a pop-up contextual menu. Click the New Shortcut command in this pop-up menu to open the Add to Folder pane dialog box. Here you can click on the folder for which to add a shortcut, and then click the OK button. The shortcut to the selected folder is then added to the shortcut list in the Shortcuts shortcut group. To delete a folder shortcut in Outlook, right-click the folder shortcut in this list to delete. Then select the Delete Shortcut command from the pop-up menu. Then click the Yes button in the confirmation pop-up box that appears to delete the shortcut.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.